Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can adjust the balance on your Apple Airpods Max. This might be useful if you're hard of hearing in one of the ears and you want to put more sound over to that particular ear, whether that would be left or right. So what you want to do is you want to wear the headphones, so you take them out of the case and you want to wear them. I'm going to mimic that by putting them on the box here, and then we're going to go into the settings. So if we go on your iPhone or iPad and go into settings, we're going to go to where it says AirPod Max, and we're going to go down to where it says accessibility. And then on this page here, we need to go to audio accessibility settings. And this is where we can adjust it over to the right or the left or anywhere in between. So you have a full range to go through there, or you can tap it if you find that easier. You can do this while you're listening to music, so you can get it absolutely perfect. And then when you put them back on the case and use them again the next day or the next week, it will remember the setting from before, so you only need to do this once. So that's it. That's how to easily adjust the balance on your Apple AirPods Max. Thank you so much for watching.